Hey friends, so this is Vlogmas Day 8. I'm skipping through it because I was just ranting about unnecessary work things that we don't have to talk about. But I am going to update the description box of this Vlogmas video and put some timestamps if you want to see some cute cat footage, some Manhattan stuff, some Christmas decorations, and gift wrapping. That way you can skip around. I know not everyone wants to watch a 13-minute video or a 22-minute video like last week's Vlogmas, which I'm going to update the description box for that one too, because that one had a lot of makeup openings and like just beauty stuff and unboxings within that big vlog. So I'm also going to update that if you want to go back and catch up to that. This is Vlogmas week 2, and I'm just going to get back to the video and we're going to move on to day 9. Took my shower and now I have to edit Vlogmas week 1 because it's still not up yet. And the crazy part is that I am only up to day 2. Like, this is all I've done so far. So I have a whole bunch of footage that I have to export and put in here and then edit. So yeah, I have a lot of editing to do. I'm trying to get this up by tomorrow night. Right now, as I said, it is December 9th. So I'm going to grab the memory card that is in this camera, what I'm currently filming on, and then import that here, or put that into my computer so that it imports and all that stuff. But I just wet my hair. So I just took a shower and I used this stuff right here, the silicone-free Miracle Styler leave-in treatment from Shea Moisture. But I do have to take a break from this soon because I have to give Max a bath, which is annoying. But I'm going to try to get as much editing done tonight as possible. I'm actually still editing what I just showed you. But I finished wrapping up 2 more presents. Wrapping paper and this pizza one. So we're going to take it to the sala, put it under the tree.
Hey, Santa, the city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love.
Good morning, everyone. It is December 10th, so it's the 10th day of Vlogmas. I just woke up. I just had a really big Starbucks drink because I have a lot of work to do today. And when I mean Starbucks, I mean like their little bottled frappuccino drinks, which are really good actually. This is vanilla. So I have a lot of work today, a lot of filming that has to go on because I go back to work tomorrow. So this is my Sunday, and really the only day I get to film when there's not a whole bunch of people in the house. So I'm gonna wash my face, redo my makeup, maybe film a get ready with me, or maybe just dive into the things that I need to get done. I might have to do that instead. We'll see. But I'll be right back. So I'm going to use my Skin Rescue Deep Cleanser with Red Clay from First Aid Beauty to wash my face. So I finished my makeup and now I'm getting everything ready that it needs to be filmed outside. So I'm doing some arty related videos. Oh, that reminds me of my markers. I'm doing some art related videos or unboxings and stuff. So I need the actual table, and I'm gonna bring out my tripod to film directly down below that angle so I can film these videos, get them out of the way. I also have like a book unboxing from like this really famous or popular brand, again on Instagram. I'll put the name right here because I keep forgetting it. But I also have some stuff from an Etsy shop, or she started off as an Etsy shop, again another Instagrammer. It's Kira Doodles, I think, and I purchased it for Black Friday. So I'm taking these out to the sala, to the living room, so that they're ready for me to film these things. And yeah, my hands are full. I guess we're going to the dining room, I should say it that way. And the Christmas tree is finally completely decorated, so I'm about to show you too. Let me just turn on these lights. Christmas songs. So I'm doing a little video on these markers. This is the Kira stuff. Look how cute these stickers are. And then this is the company I was talking about, Morrissey. So they have like really cute notebooks and stuff. The only issue is that this stuff is like crazy overpriced, but I'm gonna rant about that later. So here's the finished Christmas tree. Looking really cute. And the best part is we have a ton of presents decorated. Most of the cute wrapping paper is me, and then my parents kind of like the classic red stuff. And then we have a wild doggy. Max is sleeping. Yesterday was his birthday, but he's gonna get some cute Christmas presents and birthday presents all in one. Oops. He don't care about me. Ooh, let's change the advent calendar because I keep forgetting to show you guys those parts of the actual vlog. Another light. So we are at day 10 of Vlogmas, Christmas, December, whatever. While I'm getting all this stuff ready, I'm also charging the battery of my camera. Hopefully I have no technical difficulties today because that would suck. I have a lot to film. I'm about to write it all down because I know I'm gonna forget something. And I do not have time to do this tomorrow. It all has to happen today. And I also have to put the finishing touches for Vlogmas week 1 because that still hasn't gone up yet. And it's just like music clips and little captions that I still need to put. So I have to do that too. But first I'm gonna put away this wrapping paper because I'm pretty much almost done wrapping everything I need. At least everything that's already here. I'm still waiting to order some stuff. I'm trying to see if I can get paid before Christmas, which is looking like it's not gonna happen. You know when you start a new job and you don't get paid, like, I don't know, it takes like 1 to 2 pay periods or whatever. Minimum. At the very least, I still have 2 presents left to purchase, not including the fact that I have a lot of bills to pay. So that's my least favorite thing about starting a new job, is when you have to wait to get paid. Okay, so I finished walking Max. The camera, the new one, the battery's taking way too long to charge. It's already like 1 p.m. so this is kind of late for me to be filming multiple videos. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this vlogging camera, which is what I've been using to film all my main channel videos anyway. And I'm going to do, I think, a Kikki K haul, a Drunk Elephant update because I've been getting some requests. And I don't know what else, but we're gonna figure this out. This is why I should have made a list, you guys. So I finished the Kikki K haul, filming it. I am still in the process of filming this Vlogmas clip. I have to film a voiceover right now, so I'm gonna do that. And then my candles got here way early. I was looking for my tripod. Now I'm in the process of going through the whole Vlogmas and seeing if there's any errors or stuff, because this is a 22-minute video, which is the longest video I've ever done on my channel, hands down. I hate uploading long videos, but we're doing it anyway. So this is my mic. This is the Yeti blue microphone or whatever. I don't know, it's an old model and it's a little dirty, but I'm going to do this voiceover right now for this small clip in the video, Vlogmas week 1. By the time you watch this, it should be obviously up because it's week 2, but yes, I'm gonna do that right now. So these are the things that my fiance picked up at Radio City. They had a great gift shop. Everything is really cute. It's just definitely overpriced, but I love the shirts. I love the stuff. So it's finally exporting. I've never exported a video this big or this long. So it is 3:20. Let's see how long this takes. In the meantime, we're gonna go check out the Bath & Body Works candles. Wow, I opened it, I just smelled it all. Oh man, I think that one's shattered. Yeah, this one's fine. So I'm gonna put all the ones that are okay down. I just don't want to cut myself. Arctic berry is fine. Campsite coffee is fine. Cinnamon caramel swirl is fine. And for myself, so there's 8 candles including the shattered one, but I also ordered another one, but it was, I got an email later saying that it had sold out. So I'm gonna call customer service later and see what can happen, but I just feel like they didn't put adequate padding, honestly. Hi friends, I am home. So I didn't have to stay the full shift or the extra, what is it, extended shift if it gets really busy. It didn't. So I got to leave work at 2:45, but then I went to my fiance's house because I couldn't resist seeing him, whatever. It's been a long day, but guess what arrived? Pusheen Box. This is the winter edition, which kind of throws off my schedule of when I'm uploading things a little bit, but we'll figure it out. I'm just trying to think of when I'm going to upload this now. And also, I kind of want to see what's inside. Should I open it? I like that it's actually laminated. These used to be really good quality, and they kind of like have lessened the quality of the paper. Ooh, the figure's nice. So let's see what we're going to get. I'm trying to get my camera to focus, but it's really not. So it comes with a Pusheen pillowcase. A cute hooded blanket. That's cool. Crew socks. Meh. Pusheen will keep you warm. Oh, earmuffs. Some garner. I don't like those types of garners that you hang up on the walls. Oh, greeting cards. That's cute. 2 of them. And then we'll see how I feel about this later on. I'm going to edit it a little bit and then go to bed because I'm kind of tired. this chaotic mess is the aftermath of me filming some close-ups. So this is all the Kikki K stuff. I edited a video. I just need to insert all the close-ups that I just took. And look at this beautiful freaking weekly calendar. It's gorgeous, but I already have the other one, so I think I really am going to give this as a gift, as much as I would like to keep it. I'll see later, because I don't know anyone who really uses planners like that. But anyway, I gotta put all this stuff away, including my ring light, tripod, all this stuff into the room, and then I have to do a deep cleanup because everything's a mess. Also, look at all of these presents. The looks can be deceiving. We don't really go all out for Christmas. It's only like this because we have an extra person who's coming, which is my fiance. It's going to be the first time, our first Christmas together. So I think my parents and we all kind of just went all out this year with presents. But yeah, ignore the socks on top of them. I have no idea why they're there. In fact, there we go. So, yep. Oh, I forgot about this. My Little Mermaid pixelized Christmas tree ornament. I'm on my 15-minute break at work. I'm tired. I got here late, but that's a story for another day. Okay, ready? This is my thumbnail picture.